Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1972 Nova SS and this is by Johnny Lightning. So let me first see from which year this is. I'm hoping it is mentioned somewhere here. Okay, I'm not able to see anything. 1994. Is it really that old? Oh my god. But I'm happy I'm getting some old castings. I'm really happy about that. Okay. So it has this many cars in this series. So um I got two. Wow. I got this Nova SS which we are going to unbox now, and I have the Super B which we are going to unbox tomorrow. So I actually love the Mercury Cougar Eliminator. I think I have one. I don't know. So to be very honest, I actually love every car in this particular series, but I am not able to get everything. So I think the one which I'm having here, that is the Ford Mustang Boss 302. That is by Maestro Muscle Mission, and I do have the GTO Judge. I'm having this in 1:18 scale. That is an amazing casting, and I will be unboxing that in maybe in near future, because those are really huge in sizes, and it is really hard for me to show in the camera. Maybe I'll sit on that side and I will maybe unbox it. Let's see. Okay, so Chevrolet SS I have in multiple brands actually. Superbird I'm not sure if I have. Hemi I am having. Chevrolet SS and Hemi I'm having in muscle like M2 missions. Boss 302 I do have. I think this one is Boss 302, and I do have this um, M2 missions as well. Judge I have. Oldsmobile I think I have in only Hot Wheels if I'm not wrong, and Eliminator also I have in Hot Wheels. Racktop I honestly I did buy Racktop, I guess. Yes, I actually bought a Racktop. I'm yet to get it in my hands. That has a Spider-Man comic book in the back with Spider-Man card art and everything. I got Racktop as well. So I am having most of these cars in different brands, but not from this entire series, to be honest. Okay, so let's talk about the card art here. So I personally love these kind of card arts, but my only nitpick here is they could have just showcased this particular car here instead of going with the GTO. So because that would have looked more relevant to this particular casting. And the reason I personally love this kind of card art is this looks like something like straight out of old magazines. If you even recent magazines has this kind of arts and all, but this is something very in a classic way, and it looks really nice. So I do want to keep this uh, card. So let me see if I can able to remove this without damaging the card. Since it's a very old card, I'm hoping that this would easily open if the other two did. So one thing I just noticed is even the other the next car which we are going to unbox, this Dodge Super B, that also actually uh, has the same card art. Okay, so here you can see the rim actually came out. So let's try to fix that also. Let me take this is the first time I'm actually taking this out. So let me put this aside. Now I really want to keep this inside. Okay, let let it be here for a minute. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. So I just kept that um, blister inside it. Okay, supposed to fix in this way. That is not going in. I don't want to break it. That actually has some kind of, yeah, it has some kind of latch mechanism here. Yeah, it went. Thank God. Okay, so here is the limited edition token. It feels a little bit. This is actually plastic. This is not metal, by the way. So it has a sticker in between that is not actually painted on top of it. So this is 6407 in this limited limited edition series. I am not sure. See, they're producing somewhere around like 10,000 pieces or so, and they're calling that as a limited edition. So in the rear, it is simply saying, Johnny Lightning limited edition. That's it. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So okay, see, since this is an older casting, so even I'm not expecting that much, but let's see. Honestly, compared to the newer castings, we can actually expect a lot in older castings because older castings are really good compared to the newer ones. Okay, so it has headlight detailing. I mean, the headlight is painted, but it is like protruding out. I mean, you can see the SS here. The grill details are really great, and it has rear view mirrors here, and you can see the Nova, the lettering Nova itself like embossed actually in the casting itself, and the door handles here, man, that is really nice. That is actually, you can see that in 3 dimension here, and the interior on this one looks really good. I mean, this there is no windshield here on both sides, so you can see this very clearly. And on the tail light part, okay, let me see one thing here. Is it paint? Okay, that is paint, yeah. So the tail lights are actually painted. That is in like it is deep. It is not actually protruding out. It is kind of engraved, and it looks really cool. Man, that is really nice. It looks really good. Okay, it has openable part here. Let me just open it. So you can see the engine detailing here. This looks really good. Okay, so it is a full metal casting. The body is fully metal, chassis is fully metal. Chassis doesn't have much detailing to it, but it does look really good. So I'm thinking this is supposed to be exhaust. Okay, as you guys know, these are like two separate pieces. I mean, the rims are plastic, tires are plastic, and yeah, overall the casting is really a neat casting. I mean, it looks really good. Let's weigh this casting. Okay, 50 grams, not bad. So let me see how this one rolls. Wow, that rolls really well. Honestly, I was not hoping that. Wow, that actually rolls really well. Again, compared to 99.9% of Hot Wheels, this one rolls really well. So it has some paint job issues here. I mean, excuse, paint bubbling issues, but since it's really old, I'm not going to complain about that. I'm really happy that I actually got this casting. Okay, let's rate this casting. Again, there is nothing to complain here. It's a solid 10 out of 10. It is actually a solid casting. If you guys are able to get any of the Johnny Lightning castings, just go ahead and get it. Just don't only focus on Hot Wheels. And even Majorette actually reduced their quality on the main lines nowadays. I saw in a lot of images, instead of acrylic headlights, they're just painting it nowadays, which is really bad and sad to see. But these kind of castings, I mean, at least just for the casting, we can buy these kind of brands, even though the headlights and taillights are painted. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.